Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a little quick DIY video. I'm going to be adding this rope that I got from Dollar Tree onto this little vase or vase. I got this at Walmart. It was like $3, maybe $2. I wanted something a little more fancy than the ones you see at Dollar Tree, so I picked up this from Walmart. All of the flowers are from Trader Joe's. I'm going to be using some Gorilla Clear Grip glue here. Then maybe some of a glue stick. I'm not really sure how I want to do this yet, but I wanted to do the vase that, you know, where the rope is wrapped around it. So I'm going to just take this rope and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom. I kind of already tried it out and I really liked how it looked, so we're going to do that. So I'm going to take this glue, I'm going to just lay my bottle down, and I'm going to start right at the bottom. Ooh, I'm just going to push this through a little. There we go. And I'm just going to put this on here so that it stays. And then I'm going to slowly just kind of hold it for a second so that it can dry. I'm going to do this all the way around. But what I'm going to do is just roll this forward every like inch or so. And the good thing about this is that it's just, you know, glue stick. So it'll kind of dry and you can peel it off if you don't like it. I'm also going to take some of this glue because this glue is like the real deal though. This is some serious glue right here. This stuff holds anything. I made my little cutting board riser back there by the sink with this glue and it is really good. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to repeat this process all the way around, and then we're going to make the floral arrangement. I'm going to allow the end of this to meet allow it to meet up with this end right here, and I'm gonna sort of just turn this so that it still meets there, but there's not gonna be like a jagged edge. And then I'm gonna repeat the process going forward. And the one thing I like about this glue is that it dries quickly. So you want to make sure that you're holding your rope too so that it stays together. I like to just do this as I go along. If you want, I mean, you could probably take a blow dryer to speed up the process, which is what I probably should have done, but I'm not going to do that. The great thing about this rope is that it's only $1 at Dollar Tree. You don't even need a whole lot of it, to be honest. So if you like these kinds of videos, guys, make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and like this video, and I will get more of them up. I was really thinking of doing the whole DIY vase situation where you use baking soda and paint and make your vases look a little rustic and very restoration hardware. And these are so cheap. Like, I got these at Walmart for $3. So you can totally recreate an expensive vase for like $6. Now that my vase is made, I'm gonna just take a little bit of water and pour it in here. Okay, so for this floral arrangement, I'm gonna start out with these. I think these are so pretty. I actually don't know what they're called, but I get them all the time from Trader Joe's. Love them. Now you're gonna make a bit of a mess, guys, so don't worry about it. It's fine. These are just some roses. So I like to lay everything out and see how I want to work with this first. This, I don't think this requires any water. So I don't know how many of these I'm gonna put in here, to be honest. These are dried, but I did want to go this vibe, like, but we're still kind of figuring this out. So I like to just play around with different ideas and different looks and see what like works best for me, you know? Get what we got going on here. You can just start kind of sticking stuff in here, and whatever you feel works, just put it in. So now I'm deciding to put the roses in last. So I took everything out and we're starting over because it just wasn't giving me the vibes that I wanted it to have. So we're starting over. I'm just gonna literally just stick these right in the middle of this. But I wanted to kind of have this like wild, just wild look, you know? So here I'm actually working on some fall garland. I made this in another shop, but I ended up losing the footage, so I really only have myself putting this glitter on and the spray to make it stick. And this is what it looks like on my fireplace mantle. So pretty. I love how it turned out. So fall. I really wanted to go for blues because my living room has a lot of blue in it, so I wanted to keep it very like cool. I didn't want to do the traditional fall colors. My aunt had these old tables laying around and I didn't want her to throw them away, so I decided to repurpose them and use them as patio tables. So I decided to get some peel and stick tile from Lowe's. It was only 99 cents and I literally just peeled it off, put it on the table, cut it to fit the table, and made sure the patterns matched up. And this is how it turned out, and I'm literally obsessed with it. It looked so good, and this is where I put it, on the patio. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you tune in for more home decor content. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Love you. Bye.